That's not regular chicken parm, that's Mexican chicken parm. We're not making sauce, we're making salsa roja for this, which starts by toasting guajillo chilies and garlic. When you can start to smell them and see the char, time for them to take a bath. And we're gonna keep making this salsa by charring shallots, a jalapeño, tomatoes, and tomatillos. Everybody's gotta get a little black. The garlic's getting black, the tomatillos are getting color. Keep moving things around. Color is flavor. Those chilies are ready to get blended, but first they're getting a scoop of tomato paste, and then they can go zing zing. That's gonna give us chili flavor. See those tomatillos squirting and farting? Those are ready for the blender. If you like it spicy, add the jalapeno hull. Otherwise, seed it and then add it. A little bit of that guajillo juice. And do it again. Boom. Salsa. The key to a good chicken parm is the coating. Breadcrumbs. But because we're putting a Mexican spin on this classic, we're adding leftover tortillas too, for that corn flavor. Instead of parsley, cilantro. And when I make breadcrumbs, I always add parm. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. That's a gorgeous piece of chorizo seco. But I don't want that skin anymore. So I'm gonna pull out that meat now, add that chorizo to a pan to render with a little olive oil, a couple of whole cloves of garlic, and a chopped clove, sticking to the assassina tradition. Assassina fanatics are strict about their garlic. They wouldn't like this Mexican version though. Add a scoop of tomato paste. Of course, fry it up. A little bit of that sauce. And lay down that spaghetti flat. We want it to fry. Assassina style. Think like you're making fideo, but don't break it up. Italians don't like it when you break up their pasta. Push that spaghetti into the sauce and chorizo, continuing to fry. That spaghetti's f***ing murdered. And ready for some hydration. You've made chicken parm before. Season your cutlets first and just dust them with flour. You don't need 3 bins. Turn them over and do both sides. You know the deal. Flour, egg. But these aren't your average breadcrumbs, are they? When you can hear that spaghetti frying again, it's officially murdered and done. It's time to fry those cutlets. Wow, you can smell the corn tortilla. But they're not done yet. This needs one more thing, cheese. Keeping in the theme though, Oaxacan instead of mozzarella. Oaxacan cheese is like Mexican string cheese. And great for melting. That's going under the broiler to get all melty. When I have chorizo, I gotta have refritos. So I'm putting down a layer of beans. Some of that assassina. That beautiful chicken. But it needs a layer of that sauce. Maybe a lime and cilantro.
Holy corn tortilla flavor,
Oh,
chili
yeah.
flavor. Woo! It's got good heat. And the beans.
Oh, yeah.
It's weird, but you need the beans. Mexican chicken parm mashup.
In a great way.
I f***ing love it. Brilliant.
If you love chicken parm and Mexican food, you're gonna wanna make this.